Hi. Okay, so for those of you who missed the comp hair meeting on the weekend, I wanted to show you step by step just how you're going to do your hair when we do the low bun for competition. And today we have Juliet here, who's going to be my lovely model for tonight. So you want to make sure the hair actually is better when it's a little bit dirty to go into a bun. So I like to use, this is a really good brush to use, one that has soft bristles, and therefore that way when you brush the hair back, you're not going to get any lines. We're going to be doing a center part for our bun. So after my hair is all brushed and nice and straight, I'm going to take, it's easier if you just take a comb like this with an end, and I'm going to sort of find the middle of her head, draw a line all the way down the middle. Can you see that? So it's a nice, definite, sharp line, and make my part so that it's on both sides. Then after I do that, I am going to actually apply some gel, which Juliet actually just got out of the bath tonight, or the shower. So we're going to pretend that we're doing the gel, but you are going to make sure that you apply this one. Oops, slippery. This one is just an original gel, but I actually recommend getting one that's like an extra firm gel that holds. It's going to be slicked. You're probably going to want to use about the size of at least a quarter or a toonie, and actually probably a toonie in your hand. Rub it together and then rub the gel down the sides of her hair like this, so that when you're going to do pull her hair back, you're not going to get any wisps sort of sticking out. So I brush her hair, and you're going to keep that center part all the way back to the crown, making sure that it's still showing there at the back. And then you're going to bring it into a low pony, which we want it to be, the pony to be the center of her ears. So where her ear is, the center of her ear is on your child, that is where the low pony is going to be. So I have my, oh my gosh, very slippery tonight. Sorry about that. Now I'm going to take an elastic. I will tell you which color we're going to use, but we'll all have one that will be exactly the same so that we match. This one actually matches her hair color. So this is about the center of her ear. I'm going to put my elastic around. This is a very thick elastic, and I like this one because it's definitely not going to break. And pull it tight so we have it the center of her ear. You're then going to take your perfect bun maker. You're going to open it up like this. You're going to slide her hair into the middle like that, and then you're going to clasp it down, and you're going to start rolling towards her pony. As I'm rolling towards, I'm spreading out her hair along, covering up the whole bun ring. As you can see, Juliet has blonde hair, and this bun ring is a darker brunette color. Then you're going to clasp it at the bottom like so, and you're going to pull the hair so that it covers all of the bun ring, and that you don't see any of the brown. Now I'm going to be using bobby pins. You want to get ones that are thick like this. If their hair is longer, you can also get them, they come a little bit longer. You definitely want them to be strong. You're going to be putting the bobby pin in and working your way, can you see, Liliana, around the bun as if the bun was a clock, and you're going to go all the way around, putting the pins in, catching a bit of the head and a bit of the hair that's on the bun ring. Now you're going to be using lots of pins because we really want these buns to stay nice and tight. After I have sort of a few in, I think I have maybe 6 or 7 in now, I'm going to take my hairnet, which will be, you'll get the color of your own daughter's hair. They come in light brown, blonde, black, dark brown. This one's more of a blonde color. And you're going to go around, and then you're going to twist the hairnet and pull, and you're going to twist again and pull and twist again so that you have your hairs all the way tight and around. Okay, then we're going to keep with the bobby pins and we're going to keep pinning. After we get all of our pins in, it's best always to sort of get your daughter to shake her head a little bit. Just wait, Juliet. Can you shake your head, Juliet? And does that feel strong? And they're going to tell you whether or not, if it feels loose anywhere, then you keep adding more bobby pins around. Like say she said to me, oh, it feels a little bit loose on this side, I would add another pin. When you're done, you're going to take a hairspray. This is an extra hold hairspray. Tresemme, you can use whatever one you want. Usually the extra holds is the best one. Again, she just got out of the shower, so I'm not really going to hairspray. I always say it's best to sort of cover their eyes, hairspray, and then my children usually like to run away, so they're not inhaling the hairspray either. But lots of hairspray, and then we have our Comp Ready low bun. Let them see, Juliet. Whoops. Okay, and then when it's time to come out for the low ponytail, obviously you're just going to take out the pins, trying to lift them out so that you're not going to mess up the hair. And that way it'll be, if she has a quick change and you just need to take out the bun and go bun to pony, low pony, it's going to be easy for you to just undo all of the pins, and then you're going to take off the hairnet. You're going to want to pull off the hairnet slowly as well. These are more delicate hairnets. You can buy these also at the drugstore, and we do have them in the boutique at Front and Center. So you take out your pins, and then you delicately take off the hairnet so that you don't get any rips in it, because these actually get holes in them sometimes. Then I just unroll, and then the pony will be hanging down like this. Now, if you're going to want to bring a straightener, because we are going to have our ponies straight when we have the straighteners down, so you might have to do a really quick straighten. Take a straightener and make sure that the pony, readjust it, make sure it's tightened, and then maybe spray again and make sure all the wisps are in. I hope this helped you with your hair and doing your hair for the Comp at Front and Center. Thanks so much. Bye.